tonight to say thank you so much for your support and your time watching the video. Now, the beautiful thing is, I got some turmeric. This is the tea bag one which I have been using. Yeah, I got the tea bag one which I've been using. It's very good, and you also can get the fresh one. You can get the fresh one, and you can also get the. You can use the powder one, and you can use the fresh one. All right. So this is the first one. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do right here. All right. So I'm using the tea bag one. You can use this one, the grounded one, and you can also get the fresh one and use it. All right. But what we wanna do, we're gonna simply put a few cloves into the water, into it. All right. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cloves. All right. I tell you something, cloves is very good for you guys. And I would encourage you guys to drink this one at all the time. All right. Secondly, put a nice lovely slice of lemon into it like this. Drink this before you go to your bed tonight. This is from Chef Ricardo. All right. Remember to check out the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice website. I'm gonna pour some hot water in it, just like this. All right. Beautiful one, guys. Trust me. Look at that. All right. That's the first one which I want to share with you this evening. To be honest with you, I want to introduce you to the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. They got their own product on their website. All right. I normally use some of them products same way. You know what I mean? Like the lemon flight. Very nice. All right. That's gonna give you a little bit of tip. So it's nice to just get a teaspoon of it and put it straight in your glass. Just a little bit more. You can't use too much, you know. This is a lemon flight from the Caribbean Fusion Sauce and Spice. You know my guys always talk about them. And so you can, you know what I mean, support your black community. Alright, we're gonna pour some hot water in it. Just like this. Beautiful one. Alright. So that's part one. I'm just gonna share some ideas what you can do at home, guys. It's just ideas what you can do at home before you go to your bed. So this one, you can drink this one before you even go to your bed tonight. It's beautiful, nice, and also delicious. Now, this one is a very important one which I want to share with you. Trust me. Cinnamon. Alright? Cinnamon powder. Alright? Roughly about quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Pour it straight inside of it. And then what you want to do next is get a slice of a lemon. Alright, I'll put it inside of it like this. If not, you can squeeze out some lemon juice inside of it. Beautiful one. That is lovely. Alright, and let's put some hot water in it. Trust me, guys. See that one? You can also drink that one before you go to your bed at night. Yeah, man. Beautiful one. Alright. Trust me. The cinnamon is very, very good for you. And not only that, if you like, you can put a little bit of a honey inside of it. A little bit of honey in this one too if you want. Yeah. And not only that, also with the same cloves, you can put a few cloves in it. I'll tell you something, guys, a lot of people doesn't know that the cloves works really well to drink at home, honestly. You can put a few of it inside of it. Very, very nice to drink at home, alright? Trust me, 100%, guys. Alright? And I'm telling you this, if you ever try the cloves at home, it's one of the best drink you could ever have at home. Alright? Now, the next thing I want to simply say to you, when you wake up tomorrow morning, you can drink this for, you know what I mean, an early morning drink. Trust me. Get yourself a few slices of lemon. Alright? A few slices of lemon. Alright. Just like this into your cup where you want to drink. Alright, and squeeze this inside of it. So we're going to use roughly about a lemon. Because this is the tall one, alright? That's what I'm going to show you. Very, very large one. Alright, now I'm going to put some ginger powder in it. Roughly about a half teaspoon of ginger powder. Alright. Mitchie, big up yourself. Thank you so much for coming on the show. We're going to put a few cloves in it like this. Alright. Thank you so much. Beautiful one. Then I pour some hot water in it like this. Alright. Trust me guys. You want to drink this before you go to your bed at night. So basically I got 4 different type of drink